Good morning.
Good morning.
Where are we?
We are in the Coronado Springs Resort, and we are staying in a water view room, which means that we have the view of the pool. If you stay in water view, you could also have a view of the lake, which is back there. We will show you that later today, but it is actually our last day here at Disney. You're probably wondering why we didn't do a travel day vlog and do our room tour and everything then. Well, we were exhausted. We had a long day at work, a long week at work. We just wanted to get here and be ready to film this for you on a day when we were refreshed and ready to go, which is actually the last day here. So we are going to kind of do a little bit of a room tour, and then we're going to show you a little bit of the resort as well in this specific vlog. So if you're looking to stay at Coronado Springs, or if you have stayed at Coronado Springs, just bask in this beauty, because this is an absolutely beautiful resort. I mean,
To give you an idea of location, we're in building 4, Casitas.
yeah, so these are the casitas. I think there's different areas,
Yeah.
and we are very close to bus stop 2. So if you are looking to be close to a bus stop, building 4 is like literally right here. I mean, we just have like a 2-minute walk to the bus.
Just across the parking lot.
It's a long ways to the actual tower, but you'll see the walk. I mean, it's a beautiful walk. So, and there's lots of, I mean, this is just a really pretty resort. We said it doesn't really feel like Disney here. It kind of feels more like beachy.
California.
Yeah. I mean, you can definitely tell that this is a conference center because it is very much less Disney themed, I guess I would say. But let's show you the room. We're in room 4226. First, I'll use my card here, and we just went to Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party yesterday. I'll leave that video linked up here and down below because it was amazing. Come on in.
Oh, look.
Oh, look, there's
There's Morgan and Andrew. They're watching Hunchback of Notre Dame.
This is our last day here, so basically it's kind of a mess. But I mean, you're going to get the gist of it. It's a beautiful big room. I mean, lots of space. You walk in, and this is our view. Here's our room.
It's a water view.
It's a very nice water view. Yeah, I kind of already talked about that, but you can see the pool. There is this nice chair and all of our furniture, but the chair is pretty comfortable. Sat in it the first night, and that's the only night I sat in it. And you have a really cute picture of the 3 Caballeros. Right here, you have this big, long desk-looking thing. You do have a chair and this really nice light for a desk if you need to like do work and stuff. But down here is our fridge with some leftover Trulies in there. If anyone comes to room 4226 after us, no, I'm just kidding. Probably room service will take them. We also have this really nice Keurig machine. Garrett, you used it a few times, didn't you?
Mm-hmm. It comes with Joffrey K-Pods. What are they called? P-Pods. I don't know.
K-Cups.
K-Cups. There we go.
Based on the amenities that this room has, it feels very much like a deluxe resort because they do have like this nicer Keurig. The other moderate resorts don't have this nice of a Keurig. Then we have these little shelves here, like I put my ears up here and whatever. Moving down, you have this really nice TV, and if you were to go to the main screen, it has like all the new stuff. Andrew, go to the main screen.
If you were to go to the main screen. Yeah, so this has the updated TV like they do in the new tower.
So you can do Disney on demand and watch different Disney movies.
It has the guide so you can see all the stuff.
So if you turn it on, it looks different than like every other TV. See, it says our party name and it has the beautiful resort in the background, and there's different things that you can.
So you can do the watch TV, you can do Disney on demand, connect your device. It's a Chromecast. We couldn't get it to work. Hotel services, and then parks and more.
And then also on this desk, notice that there's lots of USBs and
I've got to say, we never were without power.
No.
There's
And I mean,
3
we had a lot of things to plug in.
just here. There's one on the bedside.
Yeah. So then you have lots of drawers. We obviously unpacked. You have a nice little full-length mirror here. I kind of wish that there was some better lighting next to this full-length mirror. That's probably the only thing that I'd say about this area. I liked it better in the bathroom, but that's just my opinion. And then, of course, you have the 2 beds on the other side that look nice and comfortable. The Disney beds are so comfy, aren't they, Garrett?
Of course.
They're the best.
One of the best changes they made to the beds is that there's so much storage underneath them. So you can put all your luggage underneath the beds.
So yes, under the bed has a lot of storage. We put all of our suitcases under there, so then obviously you have the walking room and you don't have to worry about that. And then the other bed, and then over here you have more plugs on both sides. Super duper nice. More Mexico themed up here with the sombreros and all that fun stuff. It's super cute.
But yeah, all the switches in the middle control all your lights, the fan.
And then if you come over here to the bathroom area, you have these nice closing doors in case if like someone needs to like get changed or whatever. And then if you walk in, I guess I'll just show you the overview. There's the two sinks, double vanity, which is nice. And then we kind of tore through all of this, but I feel like they give you a lot of the stuff that the deluxe gives you, like the mouthwash and the vanity pack. And then of course they gave you like lotion and all that. But I took all the lotion because I love the lotion, let's be real. And then they have this nice makeup mirror. Used this several times. Lots of storage down here. Over here, even more storage, if you can tell. And then in here you have your closet area.
With an iron and all sorts of nice stuff.
Even more storage. And then there's more like blankets and pillows up on top there.
Andrew, didn't you say this bathroom has the most storage you've ever seen?
It does.
It has so much storage. It also reminds me a lot of Pop Century and their new look too, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So then here you have a sliding door into the toilet and the shower. I mean, the shower head was really nice. I liked it.
It's one of those rain style ones.
You have the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash there.
With a little shelf.
Yeah, it's nice.
Hooks.
Yeah, I mean, just your typical bathroom. It's as you can tell, it's not very Disney themed. This is very like neutral, low key Disney. I don't even think I saw any like hidden Mickeys anywhere or anything. It's very calm, but it's a beautiful room. Yeah, it's really nice. We really enjoyed staying here. I wish we had more time to explore, but it's okay. Goodbye, Coronado Springs. Goodbye, room. You were such a great time. Love you. Until next time. All right, so just to show you, our room is up those stairs right there. Pool is right there. That is the quiet pool. And if you walk this way, there's a bridge there, and in the middle is a restaurant. And then there's another bridge over there that gets you to the pool, which we went to the pool yesterday. And then this bridge, there's lots of bridges that lead to this restaurant and to the pool. But this bridge over here leads to the tower. We are gonna walk because it's beautiful. Morgan, how you doing there? Do you need help? So this is the other water view that you could possibly get, which is the view of the little lake here, pond, lagoony type thing. And again, that restaurant is all the way out there. It's a restaurant bar. Okay, so just to show you, this is what kind of in the middle looks like. This looks like they have like weddings or something here. Big open space with really pretty lights. And then they have these fountains like everywhere. And they're so pretty. So here's the other walkway I was talking about that leads you pretty close to the tower. And then this is the start of the like conference building, I think. And then they also have lots of restaurants and stuff in here. We'll show you inside when we get there. But so this used to be their old check-in, check-out lobby before they opened up the Grand Tower, the Gran Destino Tower. So the elevators here are super fancy. You just type in what floor you want to go, and then it tells us.
No, the elevator was
E2.
So we're going to E2, which is right here. The struggle is real. And this is the Gran Destino Tower. And oh my God, they have the Christmas tree. Look, this is the brand new Gran Destino Tower. If you stay at Coronado Springs, you can stay in the tower. It is obviously more expensive, but it's so beautiful. Look. And here is the lobby check-in area. And this is where you drop off your bags. Thank you. So you just drop off your bags here, and you can pick them up before you take the Magical Express. Also show you the Barcelona Lounge because it is beautiful, and I'm obsessed with it. So we were just up there where the lobby was, which is right up there, and then you can you can take the stairs down, and right here is the Barcelona Lounge. Isn't it beautiful? It is so like Gaudi themed. It is amazing. I love it. Too early for a drink right now, but so great. And then this is the lobby, and look at the tree. It's so pretty. It's backlit right now. Morgan's just ready for a picture. She's like, I need a picture. Okay, so we are leaving the tower. That was just a little bit of the tower. It's beautiful. Seriously, go in there, explore if you stay here. Now we're walking back to the older building to eat. Look at those slow pokes all the way back there. Andrew, this entire trip, who's been in the front?
You.
We've just been running everywhere, and they've just been like 20,000 steps behind. It's fine. So again, this is the old lobby. It's so pretty, isn't it? It's all decorated for Christmas still. And they have a backdrop for Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party, which we never took a picture here. How cute is that? Oh, we'll have to go into their gift shop too before we leave. Let's get food first before Andrew dies. You keep walking down this hallway here. Ooh, they have they have a bakery cafe here with cakes and pastries. Yum. It's breakfast time, by the way. Garrett is still 20 feet behind. Morgan's caught up. Good job, Morgan. There's a little tiny quick service place here where you can get like soda and stuff. This is their sports bar and grill over here somewhere. Don't know where it is. Oh, right here. This is the entrance to it. Oh, fun. And then here is the El Mercado de Coronado. And we're going to get breakfast in here. So this is like their typical quick service place where you can pretty much get a little bit of everything. It's big. All right, let's check this out. We've got breakfast pastries. Yum. Oh my God, look at that donut with the M&Ms on it. Wow. We have an omelet station and breakfast pizza. Yummy. Chorizo and potato sounds really good. Over here we have Mickey waffles, pancakes, kids Mickey waffles. Over here we have breakfast sandwiches. And they also have stuff that's like themed to the resort here. So the Grand Fiesta, breakfast burrito, stuff like that. And up here you can get assortments of chips and granola bars. Over here you can get a kids corner. I don't know, it looks like they have sandwiches, Crustables. You can get water, little breakfast items, more water, Powerade, granola bars, breakfasty things, and lots of drinks. And there's even some fresh fruit in there. Well, Garrett is sad because the breakfast pizza station and the omelet station are down right now. So that's kind of sad.
They had good looking pizza though.
Yeah.
They had chorizo and potatoes.
That's what I said. Chorizo and potato sounded good and different. But we are in line for, Garrett's going to get the breakfast burrito. And I am getting the bacon, egg, and cheese breakfast sandwich, which you can actually just pick up there to go. But and I think it comes with hash browns. I'm just going to wait until Garrett gets his food since I have to wait for him anyways. Garrett got the breakfast burrito, which looks really, really good. So did Morgan and Andrew. Everyone got the breakfast burrito. How is it so far, guys? Delicious, really good. And it comes with some potatoes. I got a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich, which doesn't look like anything right now, but it comes with 2 hash browns. And, of course, a Diet Coke. Okay, so my sandwich was fine. It was pretty basic, just bacon, egg, and cheese, just on like a hamburger bun. It would have been nice if they had like nicer bread, but it's fine. It's fine. How was yours, Garrett?
Filling.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, if you can see, they all got a burrito, and they're pretty much all almost finished it, so must have been good. I would say if you're going to come here, get the burrito and not the breakfast sandwich. Here's their gift shop. They also have Christmas merch here. It's a fun little mug there, Coronado Springs. You can also get wine here. Nice. So I am now behind the Gran Destino Tower. At the very top, they also have Toledo and the new Dahlia Lounge. Amazing, amazing food and drinks. Definitely recommend. But down here, notice that they have the Gaudi wall as well. I'll show you. How beautiful. It's so Barcelona themed. I am just living for it.